Hi there, welcome to John's Workshop. This is part 5 of my NASA Apollo lunar vehicle. So this is where we're at now. Got the fenders and this control panel section on last time, and now we're going to continue. Okay, looks like I got everything sorted here, so let's get started. Not a lot of big parts here, lots of these little parts, lots of these bars. So expecting lots of repetition here. And to start off with, we got a 4 times already. 4 times on these parts here. And okay, there's only 4 of those. So there we go. So that's supposed to sit like that. Get 4 of those together. And that's going to go on here, and we're hooking these up into on this, or no. So this is supposed to sit, okay, that sits on there, like that. Okay, on those black pins. So they just go like there. Those go on those black pins, and oh, we have these go on the black pins behind it, I guess. Oh, okay, so that's what those are for. Okay, now the next piece, we have just 1, but the start of all these bars, I think. Oh, this is interesting. Now we got these. Now which way do they go? They go this way? Okay. That's those, and then we gotta put, so they're not solid on there. Now what? Okay, now we have this. You put it this way, then that way, and this way. More bars here. Got a lot of bars. So is this like the chair? Is this the chairs? The seats? Okay, so this is supposed to, okay. You hook it in like that. Oh, come on. We gotta get that lined up here. There. Now you push it all the way. Okay. And we do another one of these. I'm pretty sure this should just be telling me to do this 2 times, but it's not, which is a bit annoying because these are going to be, these are fiddly enough to make. So, okay, so that goes like that. Now we have this and axles. Red axle that side, gray on that side. Connector here, red axle on this side, and then that hooks to this here. Yeah, this is different use for these. These are for the transmissions in the cars usually. Okay, so now we have this. And now what? Oh, I have to take, what's this one? That goes in here, and then a macaroni. Yeah, these are the seats. Well, I guess maybe they're slightly different. Maybe. We'll see. pop a 2 times in there later. 2 times. We're just not telling you until later. Arbitrarily. Sometimes we tell you, sometimes we don't. It's a surprise for when you get to the end of one that's a 2 times. Okay, so that goes like this. And then we're hooking these. Okay, that's how that goes. Then we gotta do the other side here. This is just telegraphing. It's 2 times, and did I miss it? I don't know. I'll go back and we'll see. Like, how is it? This has got to be 2 times. Because it's just one chair, and it's going to be the other seats on the other side there. Okay. Just, it's a 2 times. And there, that goes there. Okay. I am not going to be pleased having to go back through all these pages to get the other ones. So we got to do this one 2 times. Yeah, what are all these other pieces for if it's not a second time? Huh? Okay. Then these are supposed to go here. Or, no, they're supposed to go in this one. Okay, and then we take... Oh, maybe not. There's maybe not enough of these. There's 2 of these. On this side. Okay. Then you flip it over. Now what? Just showing me flipping it over. And this one goes, oh, it's because this is, seriously, these are the 2 pieces that are going to be slightly different. So we're going to do all the instructions. At least it'll be the instructions will be there. Okay, and then these 2 go over here. I see. So this is the bottom of the seat, and we will make the others. So that's fine. As long as it's giving me the instructions for the other chair. That's fine. I don't like it when it says 2 times at the end. So it's because there's like two pieces difference. There's a 2-piece difference on the mirrors. So we're going to do all the instructions again. So that is the way of things. That is the way of things. So I know I said it before that they could just, say, okay, here are the instructions, and this is going to be mirrored. You could just, do that. Is this right? No, that's not right. It was supposed to be 1 piece. Through here, and then, okay. Then these go like that. Okay. And then these have to go in here. And then we have to hook these up together. Oh. Okay, everything's got to line up. Come on, there we go. Gonna have to do this again for the backings. Maybe the backings will be just say 2 times. We will see on that one. And that goes like that. We have two of these here. And the other, oops, like that. See, they could have said something like, here, two of these, and then continue. Like they could have gone farther even, because this is all the same. This is all the same too. Okay, so it's this side, like that. All the same here. Like that, and then there. In go those axles. That's this side. And then we'll do the other side. Oops. That goes like that, and then these two. Try quite a build to try to get these kind of mesh-looking seatings on these seats. So appreciate that they can come up with that kind of detail. Okay, that's one of those. Yeah, there's a way to do it. I keep forgetting I have a hard table now, so I can do stuff like that. Not worry about it sinking in. Now, where do these go? These go, we're looking at it this way, these go on this side, eh? Okay, and then you flip it over. It's supposed to go on this side. Like that. Oops. There we go. Eventually gonna have to put something, there's some axle or something's gonna go through. An axle, almost certainly an axle is gonna go back here on those to hold that seat in. Anyway, so that's been part 5 of my NASA Apollo lunar vehicle build. Got these bottoms of the seats on. And if you'd like to see more, please subscribe. Thank you for watching and take it easy.